Hello and welcome to Nico's Nature documentary. It is episode 37 and today we are going to be covering the wonderful wilds of Sweden. Now, let's get started. As you can see, we are at a wonderful water place. It is a lake actually, just near the coast of Stockholm. Near the sounds of geese and ducks all around us. Many things are to come in this documentary. Let's begin. The wind rustles through the leaves as we sense some small critters nearby. This right here is a fallen tree. Hey, fuck. Home to many different animals. Probably, I'm not sure. I can't say any. Let's continue. Aha! We have here some more branches. Very majestic. This is so fucking stupid. If you can see this clearly, there seems to be a little hole where a spider has made it their home. Spiders are naturally majestic creatures. They ward off bugs and insects. But there seem to be some ants over in this general direction. I've lost them. Fuck. There. Okay, let's see if I can get it on camera. Let's see. Okay, so there. There's the ant. There it is. Look at it, so majestic. It's probably not home, but whatever. There's two of them, my god. It's like a party over here. Oh, fuck, mosquitoes. Damn it. Here we have the wonderful Sexus attractivicus. Irresistible to all that come across. Now it is time for the regularly intervaled interview session with one of the native critters of this world. I will come back to you when I've found someone willing to do an interview with me. Excuse me, sir. Have you happened to see any more animals around? I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Let me focus. You see that animal there? Yes. It's a bug. Sir, have you seen any hares around? I know there are some. They're dormant during the winter, and I was wondering if you could catch one for me. No? Alright, thank you very much. We'll continue onwards. Here we have a spider in its natural habitat, hanging from a tree. It's quite a beautiful creature. Ah, fuck, more mosquitoes, damn it! God fucking... Oh shit, there's a spider web up there. No wonder the spider's there. Maybe we could catch it and say hello. Sir? Sir, yes, you, sir. Would like to be interviewed. Wonderful. Let's see, there we have it. Alright then, sir. Maybe a bit farther away, there. This is... Oh, fuck, damn it. Okay, well. Here we have a nice flower. I've got no idea what it does, but a bug seems to think so. Isn't that right? Ah, sir, please. Could you tell me Sir, could you tell me where I could find some hares? It would be greatly appreciated if you could help me. Sir, excuse me, can you talk? Sir, please. This is a professional environment, sir. I guess he's a bit shy. We'll continue onwards. I saw a bird before, but it seems to have gone. I accidentally stopped recording, and so now... Oh shit, some more ants! Don't know if you can see those, but there's one. Yes, very majestic. Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me. Sir, please. Sir, please. I'd like to do an interview with you, sir. Alright, for the love of God, sir, please. Work with me here. Oh, alright then. God damn it. Continue onwards. Here we see another hanging spider. Let's see if I can catch it and give it an old interview. There we go. Now, sir, if you'd please tell me, have you seen any hairs around here? I know you have advantage points from hanging up on that roof, but I do also know that your eyesight is quite bad, but yes. Please, if you have anything, please let me know. I do need some help with this interview. Hold on, I'll get you as my pet. Damn it, fuck. Okay. Shit, there's a lot of ants. Holy cow. The fuck are they doing? Don't know if you can see that actually. Hold on, let me just come a bit closer. You can see all those movements. Those are all ants. Don't have a macro pixel whatever on my camera, so I can't really do that all too well. Fuck, more mosquitoes. But yeah, you can see up close all these ants. Fuck, they're on my legs. Alright, well. You can see all those ants just roaming around. I can't show you anymore because they'll climb up my ass and bite me, but you know. Ants. Majestic creatures, really. You hear the sounds of birds in the treetops. Can't see any though. They're very well hidden. Actually, I can. But you can't. See one up there. Yeah, you can see those movements. Those are birds. If one just decided to stay still down here, that would be greatly appreciated. Excuse me, sir. Would you mind coming down for a second? Alright then, no worries. Yeah, that's not gonna happen at all. Ooh, some pink flowers, fuck yeah. Here we have the humble humla in its natural habitat, collecting pollen from flowers. They're much like bees, but they do not sting, and I'm pretty sure they do not make honey. I could be wrong though. Sir, if you'd please. Sir. God damn it. Alright then, mate. Oh, he's gone. That's too bad. Really was a nice fellow. Oh well. Onwards. Sound of birds chirping can be heard all around me. Don't know if the microphone picks it up though. Those are very cheap earbuds. Can't even see them either. God fucking damn it. Onwards. If you can see those movements there, those are birds. They're living in the treetop. My camera's bad, but if you could please just watch that. Oh, there's a bird as well. You see it? Majestic birds, creatures those are. No idea what they are. Maybe they're swallows, maybe they're not. I have no idea what birds are. Actually, I do. I have a talent at identifying birds. That's a bird. That's a bird. There's a bird, actually. Holy shit. Fuck, I lost it. Yeah, there's a couple. You get it. It's very, very pretty. Too bad my phone's like fucking cheap, so. Hope I can swear in this. It'd be really bad if I couldn't. Ooh, more pink flowers. Just make sure no ants. Yep, no ants. Okay. Look, they're very pretty. There's a guy on there as well. Ah, sir. Sir, if you may, could you please tell me if there's any hares or rabbits around here? I'd love... okay, well, kind of shy, aren't you? Onwards. Oh shit, there's a bird there. Fuck, lost it. There it is. If we could just zoom in. Damn it, it went away. No, wait, hold on. Okay. Need to be very quiet. Because I'm positively sure that I've seen an alien creature right there. You see it? It's very rare that these land on the ground, but when they do, it's a sight to behold. Very cool. That right there is a dog and a grumpy old man. Don't cross grumpy old men. They're pretty grumpy and pretty old and pretty manly, unlike me. Hello, doggy. Marshlands. Not very pretty, but you know, pretty slowly. Not gonna go there. That's a plant, isn't it? Yeah, it is. There's some insects on it. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Things like a fucking fly or something. Those are some very nice flowers, though. No idea what they're called. And that is going to bring today's episode of Nico's Nature documentary podcast interview thing to a close. Thank you for all your points, all your cooperation, and all your likes, comments. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. I don't have an outro song. Just like pretend there's an outro song. Alright, bye.